Are you facing challenges to save your hard-earned money? Are you facing challenges to take a right insurance in your life? Are you facing challenges while comparing all other insurances and you don't know which one to go? Then you must watch this video fully. Hi, I'm Dr. Maria. I'm a financial coach and insurance expert. From last 15 years, I'm working in insurance industry and personal financial industry, where I'm helping people to reach their financial goals by selecting right investment options and right insurances so that they can safeguard their hard-earned money. Recently, I ran a poll to my community, that is Finance Chapel, where we are helping each other to achieve their financial dreams by educating them on their personal finance. And I asked, what is the maximum challenges which you are facing in personal finance? 80% of the people have said that they don't know which is the right insurances to take. Especially when it comes to the health insurances, they don't know because there are many insurance companies which is providing various insurances. And what is right for them, what is wrong for them, they are not able to understand and they are confused. Many times without understanding, they have taken some insurance policies, and when they went for a claim, then definitely they faced a lot of problems. Now, why I am saying this? Because of this one confusion, they are even not able to take a right investment, take a right action in their life. So for this instance, what I thought, maybe for next few days, I'll discuss about insurance. Various insurances, how it can be helpful for you to protect your existing wealth. Because I know you have worked hard to save that money. Now, if you are not taking a right insurance at right time, there may be 100% of chance that one small mistake can take away all of your hard-earned money, and that is not acceptable. Maybe you have to start your journey again from zero if you vanish all of your existing wealth. Recently, I have written book Insure to Secure. Many people have bought this and they have appreciated the way I have written without mentioning any insurance companies, any insurance products. I've explained what are the right insurances which is suitable for which category of people and how they can take about it. If you are not able to read this book, then definitely you have to watch all the upcoming series of YouTube videos to understand why insurance, which health insurance, and when to take and how to take. So stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. The link is given there. Please like and share it to others. You may be working professional, you may be an NRI, you may be an entrepreneur, or you may be a senior citizen, whatever the case may be. Please listen all these topics which is related to insurance and take a wise decision so that you can safeguard your hard-earned money. Have a peace of mind in your life and you can live a freedomful life when you safeguard your hard-earned money, and the rest of the money when you can invest in the right places. And in personal finance, this is a basic and first most thing which you have to do. That is when it comes to emergency. So you have to make sure that you have to prepare for the emergencies. Now, how you can do that? One simple way, keep 6-month expenses ready with you so that at any time, if any emergencies, you are prepared for that. Apart from that, there are many times the entire hard-earned money will be vanished if you are not having right insurance. So, in the next video, I'll discuss why senior citizens have to take right insurances and how to take that insurances with examples. So, stay tuned there, like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will get a notification about different various topics of personal finance so that you can save money, manage money and multiply your money. Have a freedomful life.